find it fascinating when a certain stream of information comes through to the fore at the same time from different and multiple researchers. Is this because we share a common mind, a place we can all tap into if we were open to it? A common sense, I suppose, a quantum field of information. It is with this in mind that we are beginning to see the theme of this reality being a type of trap, a time loop that we are tricked into returning back to, and back to the fear farm to create energy or loosh for the creators of this system. David Icke has recently released 2 books on this subject, The Trap, which was followed recently by The Dream. We have had Howdy Mikowski with his own take on it in his book Exit the Cave, and today's guest, Isabella Green, with her new book, Leaving the Trap. Are we being told the ultimate truth, and is this why the global cult appear to be in panic, throwing everything against the wall to see if anything sticks? Watch out, the aliens are here. They found 2 in Mexico and no one really seemed to care. Isabella offers that this reincarnation trap, often called the ring pass knot or the Ouroboros, is specific to Earth, and that each planet had its own cycle or trap. When we leave this place, do we head into what is known as 4D or the astral plane? And here, do we encounter what Isabel calls the handlers? Others call them archons or demons, jinn or the watchers. These beings are said to be able to take on the form of loved ones or a deity or religious figure, who would then try to guilt trip you back into the loosh land and on the fear farm. The most important question appears to be, who do we trust? And how will we know if we are truly being manipulated or tricked?